Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Aston Martin Valkyrie, and this is by a brand called the Speed car. And the last car which we unboxed, which is the Lamborghini Sian Roadster by this particular brand, that was absolutely amazing. If you never watched that video, please go out and watch it. It will be either under Lamborghini playlist or in the diecast car playlist. So you'll be able to easily get that. Okay, with that said, let me unbox this. So I actually bought this for 450 rupees if I'm not wrong. So it says I have this particular color here. I was hoping for this green color, but okay, this also works. The color looks really nice, and let's see how it is. Okay. I don't want to damage that part of the box, but I did damage it. Okay, let me keep this here. I really want this cover as well so that I can keep it back. Okay, so nothing else is inside the box. Let me put this here, put it away. Okay, so here is the casting itself. Honestly, the casting looks really awesome out of the box. Okay, so this is kind of this, I don't know, maybe oily green. I don't know what to say. But it is kind of this green color, but I'm not seeing any paint issues or anything. So this is the kind of how I can say glass black, I would say, this part here, and the rest of the car is actually glass pearl moss green. I don't know, it is some kind of green. Okay, so it does have acrylic headlights here. Let me put some focus here. Wow, I really like this. You can see the Aston Martin logo here. That is not even messed up. That is perfect. Honestly, this particular brand gives a lot of competition even to measure it, which I personally like so much, as you can see here. So this one is really superb. You can see the Valkyrie badge here, the front splitter. That is really awesome. And okay, so it does have tail lights, but it is not painted on top of it. It is just casted on the plastic here. I think that is a piece of plastic. Yeah. So the body is fully metal, including this part here, and the chassis is plastic here. But one good thing about this particular casting is it has normal screws here. You can just easily remove and customize it. And you have this piece here. I think you can easily mount this to any base, display base, which is really cool, by the way. So most of the brands doesn't even do that. So I'm hoping this is like rear view camera, if I'm not wrong, the real car. I don't remember about this car right now. I do remember seeing this car when it was launched back then. I don't know, maybe 6 months or a year, somewhere around that point of time. So okay, and okay, spoiler. Let me check. Yeah, spoiler is actually plastic. This is actually merged with this particular piece here, the tail light piece here, and that is getting merged with this uh, interior and chassis. But still, this looks absolutely amazing for this 450 rupees or so. And you can see the wiper detail here. That is really cool. It actually feels like a separate piece, but it is actually molded to this piece. And you can see the interior also. That looks really nice. So the only thing about this particular brand is it doesn't have any opening parts. But again, for 400 or 450 rupees, this and CCA, they both do a really awesome job. And another thing about this particular brand is, again, the rims are actually unique to this casting, and it has rubber tires. So I don't personally prefer rubber tires, but see, if it is there, then then we can't do anything. It does look really really nice on this casting. So let me see the ground clearance. It doesn't have any suspension or anything like that, but it actually stays really low, like true to the actual car. Let me maybe try to zoom in a little bit so that you can see. Yeah, so it actually stays really low here. That is really awesome. Honestly, the paint scheme and everything looks absolutely amazing. Let me zoom out. I'm not sure if you are able to hear my voice clearly if I zoom in. Okay, so I think this is supposed to be the air intakes and the air ducts here. They are just painted. Those are not actual grooves there, they are painted. This feels really light. I don't know how much it weighs, maybe 20 grams or so, not more than that. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. I'm genuinely curious now, not for the sake of doing the video. Yeah, 18 grams. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, see, I'm not going to play with these castings because these are really beautiful. I really want to keep this in the display instead of just putting inside a box or something like that. Okay, let's do a roll test. It doesn't roll really well. The rear wheel wobbles a little bit. Front wheel also wobbles a little bit. See, again, this has rubber tires, and I mean, a lot of people never even heard about this brand, but still, if you are a collector, if you're genuinely love collecting, and this is one of the piece I would recommend for you guys. Okay, so this is really nice, and I didn't even see any paint issues with this casting. Even with the cyan, I didn't see any paint issues. That is really awesome. Okay, let's rate this casting now. So again, we last time when we did the cyan roadster, I don't remember doing a rating at that time because uh, I think I did that later on since some of the people requested in this chat. So with that said, let's give a rating system for this particular brand now. So in general, this brand comes with proper headlight detailing, so yeah, we need to consider that moving forward, including this casting. So tail light details, the cyan roadster actually had. So apart from that, rubber wheels and all these things, rest of the detailing, all these things. So with that said, for this casting, I would say I honestly don't want to reduce any point, but since they didn't paint the tail lights here, so I'm just taking 0.5 out of 10, so 9.5 out of 10. Just that, I mean, I can say I'm nitpicking here at this point, but I just want to genuinely give a rating instead of siding with a brand. So in that aspect, I would say 9.5 out of 10, but it is absolutely beautiful casting. If you guys are able to get this particular casting from this brand, please go ahead and get it. So yeah, so that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.